The optical scanners meticulously analyze each apple for size and color, while robotic arms The optical scanners meticulously analyze each apple for size and color, while robotic arms
check the flow rate on line 3.
Looks good from here, steady as she goes. The flow looks good here. The consistency is exactly what we need.
Agreed. I'll keep monitoring the input levels.
Increase the pressure slightly on line 3. Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal now.
The fresh apple juice flows through the multi-stage units, ensuring every impurity is removed before final bottling.
The temperature is holding steady at 85 degrees.
Perfect. The automated controls are very precise.
Here at the plant, the heated juice flows through these cooling pipes, drastically reducing the temperature before bottling.
Look at this reading here. It's slightly above the threshold.
I see that. Let's recalibrate the sensor before we proceed.
Controlled airflow is essential here, stabilizing the structure as the preforms head toward final inspection.
The alignment guides are performing perfectly at this speed.
Yes, the throughput is maximized.
The rotary capping machine operates at incredible speeds, ensuring perfect alignment every time.
The pressure sensors are reading green across the board.
Seal tightness verified. We can maintain speed.
Here we see the fully automated process, where flat cardboard is folded and glued into cartons at high speed.
The alignment looks good on the top edge.
Confirmed. Tension is within tolerance. Okay, bring it back slowly. Right there, perfect.
Can you verify the quantity for order 724?
Confirmed. The system shows it cleared the dock an hour ago. We can close this one out.
Fits perfectly right there.
Looks good. We can close it up after the next one.
All right, that's the last one.
Perfect, let's strap it down. That will be $350.
Here you go. Thank you.